Well, we are heading back up into the Medicine Bow Forest, National Forest, out of Albany, Wyoming. We went down there and grabbed a couple fishing licenses for tomorrow, where we plan to ride from Cinnabar Park, where we're camping, down to Picaroon Campground, where the North Platte is. And we hope to catch some trout for a late lunch or dinner tomorrow night. We're gonna get going early. Not do a big breakfast, most likely. We'll see. It all depends on how cold it gets at night and when everybody gets up. But anyway, we had a great day of doing some single track, which if you haven't seen yet, I highly recommend reviewing that video. The boys did a great job. We've got Fisher Hannison with us. He is riding a TTR 110. Drake Hannison is riding a CRF 110F. And Hunter Hannison is riding a TTR 125. Justin is riding a KTM 500 EXC, and I'm riding a KTM 530 EXC. Great machines, everything's running pretty decent up here. I had an issue with my battery earlier, which you guys probably didn't get to witness because I wasn't taking video of a breakdown. But anyway, I ended up charging my phone and camera off the 530 all day. A lot of start and stop on that single track, and eventually taxed my battery enough to where we had to jump it using the TTR 110's battery. So it all worked out. We made it back for lunch. We headed out for an evening run tonight down to Albany, and we're almost back to camp, where we're going to cook up some supper and enjoy a campfire in each other's company. Rob Roy Reservoir here. Might be tough to see with the sun, but looks like Justin's going to go look for Logan. Logan's out here. Logan Hannison is out here from Larkspur, Colorado. He's our cousin, and he's doing some fishing.
Party barge is over there, but
yeah.
Look at the campground, maybe he's back already. Oh, look at those clouds, that is badass.
Wow. Oh, your blinker's hanging off. Your right, left blinker. Oh, your chain looks good. Just taking some vids here. I like your fender pack just bouncing around. You got a couple clips missing.
The front's open. If I can keep one set on, I'm doing well. I mean, maybe he just threw right in at the creek here.
Yeah, I think that was his plan.
I'm not sure how he's going to be paddling up the creek.
How's yours running?
Fine, it just feels like it's running on a half cylinder.
There he is, yeah.
Okay, so
he's right here.
Alright, I'll meet you back there.
Okay. Hey, we're going to go back and make steaks at camp. Well, it just got, it gets so late and we didn't want to be riding at night, and the single track was horrible. Catch anything? Nice. Well, catch us some supper. Yeah, no hurry back. We'll get the fire going, the steaks going, so catch some fish. Nice little camping area here. Some clouds building over there to our northeast. Getting tough to see with the shadows. Probably a good thing we didn't do a bunch of single track.